I definitely cannot tell you that this drum solo is suitable for beginners, because most of the time drum solos are intermediate or advanced levels, because they are fast-paced, you weight shift a lot, you layer a lot, and you move very fast between body parts. But I tried to make this drum solo as easy as possible, so I hope you enjoy it, and with practice, nothing is impossible. So let's see it first before we begin the explanation. Don't forget, guys, as usual, the moves are linked in the description box if you want to learn the technique from scratch. But for here now, we're going to apply to music and put the moves together. We're going to start with an Egyptian shimmy. So it's knee movement forward and back, and it's big relax. But we're going to add another layer of sliding hips side to side. Don't weight shift like this because the music is a little bit fast. So legs together, our slide is very small outside the body, and I barely feel my weight shifting between my feet, close to nothing. So I'm going to add the shimmy while sliding. 1, 2, 3, 4 counts only. So side, 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 side. Pay attention to which side you stop at. If you finish here, sliding to this side, you're gonna move the opposite leg open because it's a little bit more free. If you wanna move this, then you're gonna have to shift weight and then open the other side. So whichever side you're on, let's say you finished here, then you can open this leg. But if you finished here, open this leg. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I open this leg, shift my weight, keep this other leg nice and beautiful and long. If you haven't seen my walking video last week, make sure to check it out so you can improve your leg and feet position in walking and in your normal posture. So here I'm going to do a twist shimmy or a fast twist movement. If you feel like thinking of it as a shimmy makes you uncomfortable or makes you tense, think of it as a fast twist, and you can escalate slowly with time. So pay attention that your upper body is not moving with you and you're not going up and down or ricocheting on your upper body. We want a twist movement. So it's forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. You know, the top loading washer machines, I'm not sure if you have seen them before. You open the lid like this and you see the drum kind of spinning like this. That's what you want. Imagine you're looking at yourself from the top and this is your drum twisting like this. This is your washing machine. So we do 4 counts of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I shift weight to the other side, keeping this other leg beautiful, and shoulder shimmy as if you're looking to someone to this side for 4 counts as well. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this leg here is going to go to the center. I'll step on it and bring this other leg to close in, and make sure your heel doesn't lift and drop. It's lifted and stays like this. I'm gonna do a hip shimmy in place here. So what's a hip shimmy? A hip shimmy is linked down below, but it's bent knees slightly, this slight bend, and I'm gonna lift my hips up and down using my obliques. So it's not like an Egyptian shimmy forward and back like this, and your hips don't just stay playing in their place. No, with a hip shimmy, they go up and down. So you see this movement happening. So I'm gonna do it on one side. This leg is only on the ball. It's not flat like this, right? It's helping me to stay in a more elegant posture. So you can work with your arms if you like, but if you feel like it's too much, you can keep them on the side. So shimmy, and then here we're gonna start the second part. So we have 2 8 counts for now. We're starting with the Egyptian shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders 2, 3, 4. Hips 7, 8. Let's try it with music. So now we are in this position. We're gonna do fast hip movements up and down. So for each count, we're gonna do 2 hip movements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like this. For every count, I'm doing a down and an up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is gonna be a shoulder shimmy. And then I'm gonna do 6 counts of inner circles or omis or interior circles, whatever you call them. But make sure you're not doing this because we're not going outside the body. We wanna be inside our body. We're gonna layer a twist on top of it. So if you're not comfortable with the circles or not comfortable with the twist, if you are new to it, stick to only the circles, right? But if you're comfortable, let's layer. So my twist is front, back, but I'm not doing an up and down, and I'm also not twisting with my entire body. Upper body is isolated, my knee is not opening like this, and my foot is not twisting. They are completely isolated, and I'm trying to do it with my hips only. So I'm gonna do 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Imagine like you're trying to shine a light with your belly here, then here, then here. So side, front, side, front, side, front. Now 7, 8. I'm gonna take this free leg and shift my weight. But while I'm shifting my weight, I'm gonna add a shimmy. So ratat. So it's very like a vibration shimmy. It's very quick and small, but it's for 7, 8. So here, 7, 8, right? Now I'm weighted on this side. This side is free. I'm gonna do a slide. Wow. My video just overexposed itself. So here, now I'm gonna go slide and shimmy out. Slide and shimmy out. So this hip here, I'm weighted on this side. Let me try to just come closer so it stops doing that. I'm gonna go in and then shimmy out. In and shimmy out. And then I'm gonna go twist, 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 slowly, so it's not a fast twist like before, and shift weight to the other side. And again, I'm gonna go in, shimmy out. In, shimmy out. Twist, 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 in. So this in, if you listen to the drum, you're gonna hear like it's trying to do a roll. So a roll. So it's like you kind of want to shimmy to that, but I didn't want to pack it with too many difficult shimmies, so you feel like it's still approachable. So it's only gonna be twist, 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 in, right? So let's repeat this part again. How is it from here? So we have the tak, 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 ratatatata, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, ratatatata. In and shimmy, twist, 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 and shift. In and shimmy, twist, 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 in. Let's try it with music. If you're enjoying learning through my YouTube videos, but you'd like to learn with me with further personal guidance, go to the link in my description box where you can book a Zoom class with me. We finished here with this position, twist, 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 in. Now I'm gonna take this free leg and walk, but when I walk, I'm gonna do a reverse undulation. Step, reverse, step, reverse. So every time I take a step, I do a reverse undulation. If you haven't seen my walking video from last week, I highly recommend it so you know how to walk beautifully. Make sure that you don't walk like this. Do you see how weird it is if our legs are walking in a V line like this? We want to have a tight line. So this is the only thing that can quickly help you for now, but make sure that you study the other videos so your walking in general and your posture becomes better. So from here, tight line, see how I'm coming in front of me. 1 in front of me, 2 in front of me, 3. In place here, I'm gonna do an in, so a double hip tuck, pelvic tuck. So I'm gonna tuck and tuck. Now I'm gonna go back, but chest circle, chest circle, chest circle. So every time I'm doing a chest circle, I'm reversing the direction. So here, I did in and in. I step back one direction, I stop at the bottom, step and reverse, stop at the bottom, and step and reverse for the third and last time. Then I'm gonna do a down and a down with my chest, right? So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it with music. After I finish the down and down, I'm gonna do now a combo that combines hip then chest. So it's a little bit fast, it might look difficult, but you can focus with me for a little bit and you'll find it's very easy. Not very easy to the point that it doesn't need practice, but once you practice a little bit, you'll grasp the concept. It's all about combining movement or hopping quickly between body parts without changing your position. So we're gonna bend our knees because we're gonna do an up and down with the hips like this. So I'm gonna think a down with my hips. So when I think down, my hip slides a little bit down and out, but don't worry too much. You can just think about the up, the up. It gives you a very similar result for now, but I want you to focus on staying in that same height when you move to your chest. So try not to bend and then lift your knees and then bend again and then lift your knees. I want you to stay on the same level. So here I'm gonna go down with my hip, keep it down, then I'm gonna go up, down with my chest. Switch to the other side, down, keep it down, up, down with my chest. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, hip, chest, chest, hip, chest, chest. So if you practice this over and over and you maintain your height, you're gonna find much more ease in hopping in your mind between body parts. So we have down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Then we're gonna go 6 downs with the hip. Tuck, 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 tuck. So it's a little bit faster, but it's not a shimmy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just 6. And then I'm going to do it again. Down, up, down, up, down. Then half a circle with my chest, 2, 3. So this one is slower. So hop, hop, hop. So it's kind of like a jump over a barrier, or imagine a ball bouncing from side to side. So you're going to slide your chest, lift it, lift it, lift it, and slide to the other side. Lift it, lift it, lift it, and slide. So up, 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 right? So down, up, down, tuck, 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 tuck. Then down, up, down, tuck, tuck, tuck. Right? Let's try it with the music. Now we have our last part. It's going to be simple, but choo-choo shimmy is usually energetically demanding. So make sure that you have practiced it before so you can maintain it just for a short burst of time. So we're going to go choo-choo a little bit diagonal and drop the feet flat. When you drop your feet flat, don't hyperextend your knees. Keep them a little bent like this so you don't hurt your knees, right? So doom. So it's a soft drop. So choo-choo drop, choo-choo to the other side drop, then rest a little bit for a shoulder shimmy and repeat. Choo-choo drop, and finish with an upward vertical figure 8. So very simple, but the choo-choo requires some practice. So let's go. Choo-choo drop, in place shoulders, choo-choo drop, in place upward figure 8. All right, let's try this last part with music. from beginning to end, counting, and then we'll try it with music. So counting, we start with the Egyptian shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch, twist, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Center hip shimmy, 7, 8. I go into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm gonna go in, shimmy out, in, shimmy out, and then twist, 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 change, in, shimmy out, in, shimmy out, twist, 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 tuck. Reverse, walk in a tight line, 2, 3, in and in, walk back, reverse, reverse, down and down. Now hips, down, chest, hips, 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 down, chest, chest jump, 2, 3. Now, choo-choo, down, shoulder shimmies in place, choo-choo, down, upward figure 8. All right, let's try it all with music. I hope you enjoyed this. It's a little bit difficult, I know, to get everything together and be fast, but don't forget, practice, practice, practice. Especially for drum solos, they require more practice than usual. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.